Hello class, I've got a couple questions about downloading AutoCAD for free onto your personal computers. So the very first thing you need to do to find the download link that I put for you in Canvas is log into Canvas. So I'm on the RTC website. I can quickly log into Canvas by going to Quick Links and then Canvas and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll get to your dashboard where you can choose our DFT 113 course. It's the big red A. And here's the welcome page, which a lot of you should have already seen, and then our description of our course and instruction on where we're going to do most of our navigation. Again, we're doing most of our navigation in Canvas modules. So, and through this arrow, I can see that that's to the left. Okay, so, whoops. So, if I find it again, so it's to the left, so I'll go to the left to Canvas modules. And at the very front of the Canvas modules, there's a Getting Started module. This is where all your useful links are to get started with the course. One of those links is Get AutoCAD 2020 Free, Use Your Student Email. Okay, so if I click on this link, I can get AutoCAD 2020 Free if I use my student email. So I'll click on this link to go there to the Autodesk Education website. I can see that signed in, I can download AutoCAD for free. Now, if you don't have an Autodesk account, it will look something like this, where you can either sign in or create an account. If you're a new user, you definitely need to create an account. Choose your country, should be the United States. Scroll all the way down to United States. Your education role is student. That's very important that you say that. And your institution type is university post-secondary. You put in your date of birth. Yeah. And say next. And then you put in your name and your student email. You got to make sure you use your student email. Confirm your student email. And choose a password for yourself. Has to have a number in it. You agree to the terms and you create your account, and then you can go to sign in. So I'm going to go to sign in with my new account that I just made. And once signed in, you're able to choose your AutoCAD version. License type, personal individual use. Version, 2021 is now available. You can download that if you want. Our class is based off 2020, but I just downloaded 2021 as well. Feel free to get 2021. There's only one supported operating system, Windows 64-bit, and the language. Once that's all chosen, you can then say install now and follow the installation instructions as is said on your computer. So that's how you install AutoCAD for free as a student to start using it for this class.